Many influencers nowadays are claiming that they make 10K a month from this side hustles without even working hard. And people like us, when we watch these influencers either on Instagram or YouTube, we also get motivated to try out these side hustles. As you start doing it, you will realize that the reality is completely different. I was also trying every side hustles I could get online. And every time I got stuck due to many reasons which not many creators are talking about. But now, finally, I have gained the clarity on how things actually work. Now, for your clarity, I am going to discuss five most popular side hustles from which people are actually earning right now. And also, I will talk about many mistakes people make which waste their time and effort. The first side hustle is short form video editing. Now, anyone can learn basic video editing skills, and tools like CapCut made it much easier. But learning the skill was never the main challenge. Many good video editors who are earning right now have faced this common problem of how to get clients. You can have a world class level of editing skills, but if no one knows that you exist, then you will not make any money. If you don't have any visibility or your work is not seen by people online, then it would be hard for you to get clients if you just depend on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. They do work, but nowadays time has changed. There is a lot of competition in the market. And to stand out and earn from it, you need to make your online presence. To stand out and earn from video editing skills, you need to get client by yourself by building your online presence and daily outreaches. Many are earning from this and many have built their whole career just by starting freelancing. And there are already many big names out there and you have also seen them on YouTube. So you can definitely earn from this side hustle, but keep this in your mind that it would easily take at least 3 to 4 months to work realistically. This is the average time to learn the skill and reach your first client. And I know many people will give up in 3 to 4 weeks because they want a magical formula, a quick money hack from which they can earn money without doing any hard work. But sadly, that does not exist. But if you stay dedicated and consistent, you will see some result in it. You can also check this video for more information. Next side is UGC videos. UGC means user generated content. It shows casual video recorded on your phone, like someone showing their skincare product or unboxing any package. That kind of videos are used by brands to use them in their Instagram ad and to post it on their own account. This is very trending right now. You just need to make simple videos like unboxing, honest review, get ready with me, or quick problem solution product demo videos. And brands love this kind of content because nowadays viewers are not buying the product from their ads anymore. They want more real reviews of influencers who have actually tried those products. That's why this industry is booming. Now you can do it in two ways. If you directly want to make videos by yourself or if you use AI generated UGC videos and use them to pitch brand. And remember, both work differently. And most importantly, to get clients, creator use these three parts: cold DM and emailing, UGC marketplaces, building our portfolio page. It's a great opportunity for those people who don't have much followers but want to create videos. So you can try this out if you want. Next answer is affiliate marketing. This is the actual way many YouTubers and influencers are earning right now, just by promoting product in their videos or reels and adding their link to the description or by using auto DM system. So whenever viewer clicks on their link and buy something, they earn a commission on it. This is the legit way to earn money online. But many gurus online are treating it as a get rich quick scheme, which is completely wrong. And I also thought that it would be easy. Just paste link into your videos and reels and watch money flowing into your bank account. But after spending months on it, I got to know that to do affiliate marketing successfully, you need to have a audience which will see your content and then buy. When you're starting out, you don't have any views or followers, so you will not earn in the first few months of it until you build a good following and viewer base which trust your recommendation. But if you succeed to build an online presence, then affiliate marketing would be the primary source of your main income, like other have. So this would need content creation, consistent posting, and a lot of patience. The next one is dropshipping. Many people think to do dropshipping, you need to have big budgets, which is half true. But people with no money can also try this by doing organic dropshipping. So, in order to make dropshipping work, you need to test multiple products in order to find your one winning product, then consistently promoting it to get sales from it. In the part of promotion, many run ads, and the people who are doing organic dropshipping, they keep making content related to that product. That's it. This also requires the skills of market research, video making, and many more, and can take at least 5 to 6 months to see some progress in it. You also need a supplier and your own online store. And this is a complete big topic. I will cover it in detail in another video. But as I have seen many big creators earning from it, so this means this have the potential. But it would require a lot of trial and error before you can see some progress. So it's all up to you if you want to try it or not. Last one is social media management. In this sense, when you approach small or local business owners to make or handle their social media accounts, as these business owners are very busy in running their own shop, they don't have time to create reels, design posts, or reply to the DMs. So your job is to manage those works. Bring the shop online, make it active, and get more customers for them. As I know, many of you doom scrolls a lot. So you maybe know what type of content works, how the reel goes viral, the hook and all. And if you don't know, you can always learn it and start providing those services. It requires some skills of shooting, editing, sales, communication. So it would take time, but if you manage to get at least 5 to 6 clients, then you can easily make a good amount from it. As you've already seen, in order to earn from online, you need to invest your time and effort in it before you can even expect any result from it. And the people just don't want to accept this. They all want easy money hack. That's why they watch tons of YouTube videos and reels and end up just procrastinating things. And it's not completely your problem to expect money faster. These influencers and YouTubers have given many people fake hope that they can earn money within 1 to 2 months. They only talk about shiny part of the side hustle, but they will never talk about the hard work it would require to earn from it. So my motive is to give you the both the potential of that side hustle and the hard work it would require to earn from that side hustle. I'm not making videos to give you any type of fake hope. Still, I know it hurts a lot when you put your whole hard work and time in it and get nothing in back. So I just don't want that with you guys. So if you want more honest based videos on these topics, subscribe to the channel and also like if you learn something from this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. And you can also watch these two videos to get more clarity on that side.